Want to boost sales and create urgency for your product or service? In this video, I'll show you how to create a limited time offer that will grab attention, increase conversions, and get people to act fast. If you've ever shopped online, you've probably seen a limited time offer pop up. And let's be honest, how many times have you made a purchase simply because of the pressure of a deadline? The limited time offer is a powerful tool that creates urgency and encourages your audience to act quickly. The first rule of a limited time offer is a clear deadline. If your offer doesn't have an expiration date, it's not a limited time offer, it's just a discount. Set a specific end date or time for your offer. This could be 24 hours, 48 hours, a week, or any time frame that makes sense for your business. The goal is to create a sense of urgency. People are much more likely to take action if they know the offer will disappear soon. Make sure your deadline is visible everywhere on your website, in emails, and in your ads. Second, your limited time offer should provide real value to your audience. Whether it's a discount, a bonus, or a special bundle, make sure the offer is something that feels worth taking action for. If it's just a small discount, it might not be enough to trigger a sense of urgency. Think about what your audience really wants. Maybe it's a 30% discount, a free bonus item with purchase, or an exclusive upgrade. The key is to make your offer compelling and irresistible. When promoting your limited time offer, use clear and persuasive messaging that highlights both the value of the offer and the urgency. Phrases like, "Hurry, time is running out," or "Only 12 hours left" will grab attention and encourage people to take action quickly. Also, emphasize the benefits of your offer. Show your audience why it's the right time to buy. Focus on how the offer solves their problems, makes their life easier, or adds value to their experience. A limited time offer isn't going to do much good if no one knows about it. Make sure to promote your offer across multiple platforms, including your website, social media channels, email marketing, and ads. The more places you promote your limited time offer, the more likely people are to see it and act on it. Be sure to use countdown timers or countdown graphics to visually remind people of the deadline. People love to feel special. You can increase the effectiveness of your limited time offer by making it feel exclusive. For example, you can offer a special deal for your email subscribers, a VIP group, or your most loyal customers. Exclusivity adds a personal touch and makes the offer feel more valuable. When people feel like they're getting in on something special, they're more likely to take action. So there you have it. How to create a limited time offer that grabs attention and boosts your sales. Set a clear deadline, offer real value, use persuasive messaging, promote everywhere, and make it exclusive. These strategies will help create urgency and get your customers to act fast. Stay tuned for more money-smart tips and marketing strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to increase their sales with limited time offers.